Jacksonville before the half. And at the half, we invite you to join the gang for that all the latest NFL scores and highlights. That's all coming up.
Come get your ball.
One of the big stories today, New England Patriots threat by the Miami Dolphins at home. Two timeouts remaining.
Last year does not matter. The Arnold playoff teams in 2008, you start thinking that, you're going to get your butt beat.
Bernard starts from the 24, gives it to Jones-Drew, nothing there. Couple yards to the 25. Gary Brackett was the defensive third, along with Keaho and Session.
Yeah, it's a pretty contrasting style. Both of these offenses have run the ball very effectively in different ways. We saw Indianapolis with a quick movement of their offensive line, whether it was Saturday or Richard or Justice or Dean or Johnson. Jacksonville completely different.
Look at you, big boy. Yes, you are. You're going to get that ball.
Plenty of time, so
You're going to get that ball. Yay!
Sam Brown and Jones-Drew.
Look at you. Yay!
Squeezing the melon the whole time.
Did you get your ball?